Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati, and today I'm gonna do a wear test of my favorite two foundation, which is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. Another one is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte. So I have two of these foundations, so I am gonna do a wear test. This foundation on this side of my face and this foundation on this side of my face, so that you can all see. Like, my skin is very oiliest I should say. No foundation stays put on my face, because my skin or my face starts to get oilier after like literally 1 hour, and then I have to do everything to stop it or to reduce it. But I don't like powders because it makes my face more oily. So yeah, so today I'm gonna do this wear test in front of the camera, and after like every 3 or 4 hours I'm gonna update you about how the foundation is doing, how much oil is secreting, and which one is better foundation for the oilier skin. So this foundation I have used like for full 1 year until I use the MAC one, but still whenever I want to do shoot, or whenever I want thing which is like matte and very skin like, I go for this foundation. I have discovered this foundation very like about 6 months now. So, and I'm using this from since. It looks too yellow for my skin, but it's good, I assure you that. And and you're going to see what happens in the rest of video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have two foundations, and one is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, which is I'm going to apply this side of my face, and Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Finish from L'Oreal, which I'm going to put this side on my face. So yeah, let's start. So you can see as my face are very flawless, it's well moisturized. So let's get start with the NYX, which I'm going to apply this side, half of it. And for that I'm using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So I'm gonna take a half pump, like take these drops on my left side of face. I think I have to take a lot because this much is not needed. So let's do this. So because it's on my hand, so I'm gonna take this on my face just to build the coverage. So yeah, it's blend. So you can see it's pretty much covered and it's matte. Obviously there's a like a spot, still acne mark is still visible, but it's just because it's a very dark and very old mark, that's why. But it's medium to full coverage foundation. So now let's go with the Infallible. Also you can see this is like a bit yellow for my skin tone, but it will settle down after doing all the makeup. So let's start with this L'Oreal. So I'm gonna just take this and gonna pour on my face like this. Let's just remove. Yeah, I think I have taken a lot of product. Okay. So from the same foundation brush, I'm gonna blend. So yeah, I'm done with foundation and it's time. Time is 1:37 right now. So I'm gonna come back near about 5 and I will show how oily my face is. My skin is super oily. And yeah, so I haven't put any powder, just to see how it works on raw skin. No primer, nothing. So yeah, I will come back around 5. I'm back and it's now 5:10 right now, and I don't know if you can see or not, but my skin face is quite oily. You can see I have got like quite oily on both of the sides, and it's just 3 hours right now. So yep, I have face on my forehead and this. So it's 9 already, and you can see my face is oily. Let me zoom in so you can see more clearly. So I don't know if you can see because of light or not, but I have like really oily um, skin. Both have done the same job, like same amount of oil is there. um, and I think the coverage of the L'Oreal one is far better, because if you can see, it has stayed all put, but like there is very बहुत 19-20 का फ़र्क है. But if you can see, I think my both face is same. My final thing is that I love both of them and they both are good. So now the time has come, and I'm gonna tell my honest opinion. So I think I found the next one quite better, like from this L'Oreal, and I will tell you the reason why. Because the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop is uh, quite matte. It has stayed put matte. I don't feel heavy on my skin, or I don't feel like it's oiling like a lot on my face. Whereas L'Oreal, which I applied on this cheeks, is oily and it's have gone very sticky, and it is coming on my fingertips. But the next one is not coming on my fingertips. I don't know how to show you that, but I think the next one is better here, because I have really oily skin. I won't tell कि इसने पूरा oil control कर लिया, या there is no oil on my face. You can clearly see my forehead shining, my nose shining. If you are willing to pay 1200 rupees, oh, it's for 1300. So you should go for the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. But if you are going to wear just for 6 hours, so you can go for the L'Oreal. The NYX have more foundation shades than L'Oreal. ऐसे भी दोनों की parent company तो same ही है, L'Oreal. So I think you should go for the NYX if you want to invest in a good foundation which is not sticky. Yeah, it will get oily, but you can blot it. And for the conclusion, I would say go for the NYX if you want a matte finish, long lasting, and if you don't want the finish of that sticky on your skin. And if you are going to wear just for like 5 to 6 hours, you can go for the L'Oreal, set it with matte powder, and you are good to go. But I think if you are just like want to use foundation, use a good foundation which doesn't make you look cakey, oily. Obviously they both will make you look oily, but you can blot it with blotting paper, tissue, or just dust it with some powder and you're good to go. So I am done here, and I hope you liked it. And if you want any other recommendation or test wear type of thing, please comment down below, and I will meet you guys soon. Bye.